Harshad Chopra.
Age-wise, okay, age-wise.
He debuted in Mamta 2006.
Yes.
Okay. Your claim to fame, Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil? Brilliant.
Whoa.
And by the way, guys, this I don't think you all know. He was listed 16th in the Times of India top 20 most desirable men on Indian television.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Are you
And
I seriously
also,
don't know.
and also, you in 2018, you placed 19 in Eastern Eye's 50 sexiest Asian men list.
That I know.
Whoa.
That I know. I've
Whoa.
read.
So there you are. So Times of India finds you most desirable. Asian Eye finds you sexiest.
very nice.
And guys, we have Harshad with us right here today.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Ask me. How desirable I feel. Seriously. I wish I knew this. I can print this here and walk.
No, but it's a fact and it's on record now because
my
it is true. He got the most popular actor ITA this year. We had 17 crore votes.
No way.
Wow.
First time. Last year was
Well done, Mr.
online.
Shobha.
Harshad got in that he really touched a figure of 60%. How does it feel to be that popular? Do you realize what you are? Do you realize how people react to you? Because I was shocked. If you see my phone and our office messages, खटखट हेली, तो I got fed up. I said, ये है कौन? I have to see her.
ये है कौन?
इतने messages last year and this is Harshad. I looked left, I saw his name. They all came to me, ma'am, again Harshad. So I was like, I said, yeah, that means there's a huge audience out
Well
there
done, well done.
who loves the two of you. So I just, that was very essential to ask you this feeling because you are now relating to TV and you're relating to the real world where people you've never met, who've just seen you as characters,
Correct.
love you so much.
ये online voting.
Yeah.
कितना time उन लोगों ने
It's like an organization. They don't work. They work like an office.
Yeah.
Not getting paid.
They-
Only to see somebody they like win.
Yeah, because you had huge number of votes this year. Huge, but huge. It was crazy, you know, that's why I said it's so important to know how do you as a person feel about all this? Because for us, it was like we were counting, you know.
17 करोड़ का 60%.
हाँ, जो भी फिगर था उतनी वोट्स की इनको he got this year. And they were I think और fan clubs भी पता नहीं कोई 2 लाख नाम है फलाना fan club. His name is there but FCA, CAC,
कुछ change होता
इसी पे रुक गई. वहाँ पे रुक गया तो oh shit, I jumped. GCAs, whatever it is, but it's true. It's a fact.
But 2-3 things today, you know, when you explain what this medium is, all of a sudden today I feel very, very, I never felt like this special. इतनी बड़ी industry के we are the
Yeah, you're representing. All of you are representative of this industry. You may not feel it as individuals because you're so busy. हर रोज की life में चलो shooting में गए आए घर बैठे बाहर गए मतलब normal life चल रही. But you don't realize how people are reacting to you. It's massive, yeah. It's massive, yeah.
For me, I think it's more, I feel even more, I feel the pressure, responsibility, because I think, you know, when there are so many people who are liking you or they are supporting you, I think their expectations also must be, and I think, you know, it's not because of, when I started first time, things were happening. I think ITA was the first actor award.
First
I
ITA
won.
award, yeah.
I've seen this a little, I had a taste of it then.
Yeah.
And I kind of thought I'm good. You know, I really thought I'm good and I started and this time around I have come back with the idea that it's not you, me, he, she. I think this is my time, which is good. I think we have been doing something very, I don't think there is any actor who goes in front of the camera wanting to do a bad thing. If we lack exciting work, which inspire actor to, I was blessed that this show came. I've had I don't know what to explain. I think I've spoiled, scarred for life. 8 months of pure pleasure every day, waking up early, not because of alarm, because I'm excited to go to show.
Well said, brother.
And I think that's the best part.
Well said.
Yeah.
See, I was saying basically the problem which is happening is obviously the content needs to change, but why it is so is because what we are catering, what we are making for is not everybody. See,
What does that mean now?
so say we have economy class A, B, C,
हाँ.
because the C is the biggest. We are making it for the C. We are catering it to the C. That's why the A and B feel कि ये क्या है? हमें समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है. The problem is that now A and B also is huge enough. We are watching everything everybody else is making, which is nice. और ऐसा नहीं है कि फ्री में देख रहे हैं, पैसे देकर देख रहे हैं।
Right.
तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो नहीं है, बट यू नो to change that mindset, it's a lot of work, and everybody is feeling who will do that. You know, it's not कि
It's such a huge industry.
the easy way is जो चल रहा है उसको चलाते रहो, ये है हमारा मार्केट, यहाँ से हमारे पैसे, you know, till the time they will not suffer a complete, nothing will change. Again, war at every level. What is a good job here? Tell me, what is to work in a channel? No, because they are also, मतलब, you know, the competition and the kind of pull and push. Like tomorrow, if I want to create something which is nice, I can't. You know I can't. It will go to 50 people. And the problem is that we are not being honest to the content we are picking. What we are doing is we are trying to fix the TRP by
Yeah.
taking leaps. We are not trying to fix the very story. You know, and plus अगर story को fix करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है तो आप चालू क्यों किया आपने show?